stop playing with him.
Jadavinci in his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jadavinci. This wig is from ebonyline.com. I'm gonna link everything in the description, the link to this hair. I'm gonna show you guys what I did to get this hair to look like this, but it was super easy, very beginner friendly. Let me know your thoughts. I'm actually loving this color. Oh, it's so cute. I'm currently looking for hairstyles to wear for my wedding. My wedding is 3 months away. I don't know how I wanna wear my hair, but this color right here is a full vibe. So yeah, hope you guys like this video and let's start. This wig is from ebonyline.com. Hold on, I literally didn't do anything but cut the lace off and put it on. I have not sleeked it down or made it look cute, so I'm gonna show you guys how I do that. But this is what it looks like straight out the pack. Let me just start off by saying I don't have braids underneath this. My hair is in like a ponytail, so that might be the reason why it doesn't fit all the way on my head. It's kind of small, so if you have a big head, this isn't gonna fit you, okay? But this is the Vixen X 4-way lace front part, so I should be able to part this in 4 ways and it look bomb. I got the color 430/613. I'm gonna link everything in the description along with a link to how to find this unit. But I mean, it actually doesn't look bad. We really don't have to do baby hairs because I like it like this behind my ear. I'm gonna put a bit of powder down the middle of my part after I find the part. And it's not a full lace or anything, it's just lace in these particular 4-way areas. So I'm just going with my regular Cover FX powder. So I'm just adding powder to my part because I just want it a bit more vibrant. You don't have to do this if you don't want to. You can pluck it if you want to, you know. I actually don't think I'm gonna cut baby hairs, guys. It's super cute like this. Like it looks so up. Let me get these little things out of here. What is this for? And for these flyaways, I'm gonna just use some Got2b glue. I just need these flyaways to stick down. Yo, this hair color. Hair color is something else. So I'm gonna just cut me some short layers right here. And this is just because I want the hair to look a bit more natural and cute when I decide not to wear it behind my ear. So you could part it 4 ways. Yeah, you could really feel it. You could slick some baby hairs down. But I'm about to be going to dinner. We're gonna save that for a whole nother video, but if you wanna see me style this hair and make it do what it do, give this video a big old thumbs up. I hope you guys like this super quick review. I got this wig from ebonyline.com. I'm really loving it. I'm about to go to dinner. This wig is a vibe. So let me know your thoughts below and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.